Hi, this is Brandon Long from Specific Solutions, and today I'm going to walk you through how to submit an app solution. So the first thing you're going to do is go to our website, www.specificsolutions.com/app solution. And here's our main page. This will give you all the information you need to complete an app solution. This is where you submit our interview forms. There'll be training material here. There's a how-to video. When we get to the end of when we do DocuSign, there's a guide on that. It's how you schedule your appointments. So everything's here on the page that you need to do to complete an app solution. So the first thing you're going to do is you are going to meet with your client, decide what product you guys want to do. So once you have that settled, you're going to go to our page. You're going to hover over this form right here, and you're going to click onto it. This is going to take you to our DocuSign page. You're going to put your name, your email address, and then begin signing. What's this going to do? This is going to load up our interview form, and then we're going to begin. There's going to be some acknowledgments. You just click continue, and then you can start the process. So we're going to have you initial the first page. This is a reminder that you need to complete our online calendar once this interview form is completed, which we'll show you once we finish this form. This is just acknowledging that you're aware of that. So on the interview form right here, this is all the information in red that we need to supply before we can continue and sign this. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to apply for a Prudential, let's say. It's going to be a life app. It's going to be a term case. It's going to be in New York. I do not want to save age. I do not want to bind coverage. The product name is a 20-year term. Death benefit, let's say, is $100,000. Plan premium is $50 monthly. Yes, we're replacing coverage. No, it's not a 1035. It's not business insurance. Policy owner is going to be the insured, John Doe. Primary beneficiary is going to be his wife. For New York, we're requesting if you want us to complete the 187 forms. I would like them to. And then here's the important question on 187 training. So this is two separate trainings into one question. The 187 state training is a mandatory training you have to take for the state in order to sell life insurance. And then the carrier-specific training is the carrier's product training before you can write an application for their product. So I know I did both things, so I'm going to click yes. So the client is John Doe. Date of birth is 1/10/1984. You're going to put where he lives. He's a male. I quote him standard. Last four of his social. And the last four of his social will be used for the HIPAA that we'll send out to him, as well as when we send out the DocuSign, that'll be his authentication code. His income is $75,000. His net worth, let's say, is $200,000. He's a teacher. Works in Louisville schools. And his email is, we'll just do mytest.com. And his primary phone number for us to call him at. And then his backup. The backup's optional, but it allows us, if he doesn't pick up on the first phone number, we'll dial the other one to see if we can't get a hold of him. So that is all set. It's fully completed. And then if you want to review the terms of App Solution, they haven't changed since the original launch of App Solution. We just removed the signature for ease of use. So once we're good there, we can go ahead and click Finish. And this is automatically being sent to Specific Solutions as we speak. You can actually print and download a copy for yourself if you'd like to save it, and then we can just close out of it. So there's no need for you to email us direct upload anymore because it's coming right into our feed. Now that that's done, we can go ahead and schedule the appointment. Scheduling appointment's done right here. Here's the available times. So this is at least 2 business days out always. So let's do, we're going to do the 9th at 9 a.m. We're going to put the client's name, their phone number, their email address, and then the agent's name. That's for if we have any questions, you guys haven't submitted an interview form, we can get a hold of you to let you know that we still need that interview form. So we're going to complete the appointment. Once we get the green check mark, a confirmation email will be sent to your client, as well as the day before the interview, they'll get a text and an email reminding them that tomorrow they have an interview. So once that's all done, you successfully completed submission of an app solution, and now I'm going to go show you what happens when we sign the HIPAA. So your client will be receiving a form that looks like this, an email, to review the document. You'll see that its authentication code is the last four of their social security number, and it's also up in the subject line as well. So we're going to review this document. It's going to ask for that password. And then here they're going to begin signing the HIPAA. So it's very easily done. The name's automatically up there. He's going to put his date of birth, and then he's going to put his signature. You also will have a chance to look at the flyer. The flyer is very important because it's crucial that the client knows what to expect. So he needs stuff like his driver's license number, his social security number, names and addresses of doctors that he's seen in the past 10 years, any medical treatments. We need to know the dates and why, any meds they're on, any kind of life insurance that they have currently in force, financial information, income, assets, liabilities, net worth. And then if it's a New York case, we do have the 187, so they're going to be asking stuff like current debt, sources of funds to pay for the policy, risk tolerance for investments, federal tax brackets, and even financial obligations. So the application will be a super smooth process as long as they're fully prepared for the interview. If they don't know those questions will be required on the DocuSign when the app gets sent to you. So it's best that they're fully ready for the interview to make sure that it's 100% complete application when we're done with the interview. So once they're done with that, we'll click finish. That gets sent back automatically to Specific Solutions. They'll complete that the HIPAA has been received, and then the client also gets a copy of the HIPAA with the flyer to review. And then that being said, that completes the first part of the app solution. We've included the interview form. Specific Solutions sent the HIPAA. The HIPAA was signed by the client. So at this point, Specific Solutions will call the client at the date and time, and they'll complete the application. In our next video, we will show you how to do a DocuSign application. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at 716-632-7777 or at our email address appsolution@specificsolutions.com. Thanks.